ken aken ba garop lerop nam ani alo ham ni gola ni kana nako oka hiloga alolo ani dikba Galo Heritage Center bolo Galo Welfare Society ga President Galo Jeda amne hello deona amne ngono hero bolo iteba amin hiloga hagna galoga atyaruna gudhiplok ganaru alugna galoga bud bota oka ngunga nip bogiba nip botamba nip kaluba an gadnonam oka galo gomin hoinam kakentainba yek dugna ngunga tab nyobo nijig nikok nalinango tamu komji nigam niga naru amne ngo memo tamu dopi bagra naru amne ngok asinapok aralok kumri khidangna oka kaju hilo ngunu aiga this momam ne tapak torela hogo him alom ne du talapam la aroyom naru asinap ka hogo ledla aura bamba hilo galom ne mola juka amin ma kaju ngunu ngunga hiloga yigo pagom ne gorab laju higi ngunga nyorak dolo to kelli ken nyorak kaju ngun naro kasen laska hamba ngunga galom ne higo do hoba tapada bumnam majab ngun ayaba mudla nunam jidangna ok monuga potulad longo kilata namis jumris basar mega abamne mijum basar anamne marme basar nigam dolo togo karatelo patu bronze at national level Delhi alo patu kajuno sinatka jumris basar kaju hip hop hijila ka hina ome awnijel komji aro nak Delhi alo yukam pako hamba ngunam pajnam ayaru bangono muijlaska rumji bolo sinaldo hekna omek awa komji nangon nam ham paj nam majab muken nak ok riga kai abgamna mori kai ok yathar michi kai muga mu power lifting lok padu one gold at national championship Egypt alo mu patu no sin anigo age ka hokokuba gili doke no sin ani go lam la dot laka Egypt loka me pana yuka gili doke abamna bomge doke anamna kapu raksab doke me kudolo patu bronze at international Japanal patu gili doke anigo laya jin go kabolo aldo adu aldo kaju mu adu na yuka nunna mo ani menno dang na hoko kilo pinga basar no lem toka pinga basar yolo be duduko pinga basar ga abgam na gopin basar angam na kendik basar mu nigam togo okamu powerlifting lo patu 3 gold at national level okay megam nagi doke tungunu ki aningun emurpa memur nam lagaba ajigo menyoju kaju pinga basar ga lagaba lekengota epop hijbaka me powerlifting lo patu karnataka bolo me megam patu namanaka 3 gold at national level. Okay, kaju. Goyer riba, Miss Goyer riba. Dr. Migo riba ga our. Anamne mijum lolen riba. Tai kandulom patu. Silver and bronze at national level. Pataya Thailand lo patu. Goyer adunabe. Okay. Hok gokeba. Tumge karbak no sin lam la dut laka aduyom. Hok bayro waji ale bolo aldo Tumga Keir Doyum Tumga Karbag Yolove. Oh, okay. Muga Abga Amna Gamtum Karbag, CP Karbag, Anga Amina, powerlifting Lopatu. One goal at international level and one goal at national level. Indo Nepal Youth Sports Series Lombe Patu. Okay, Keir Duyum Riba, Ho Kokolo, Gojum Riram Nosin Lam La Dutlaka. Okokelo Poda Ronya Nosin Lam Loka, Hog Bairog Ajrubaka, Post Me Ronya Nosin Bairog Ajbaka. Keir Duyum Riba, Me Doke Duyum, Oka Igo Nilo Amina, Oka Koda Duyuma Anamina, Am well West Lifting Lamupatu, Westler, sorry. Or wrestling. Gojum Riram Adu. Okay. Mig Abamina, Kengo Riram, Yumgam Riram Anamina, Miss Silver at national level Lapatu. Okokulo Poda Ronya Yolobe, Mupatu Chess Law Anamna. Danu Raksab Munga Galo Welfare Society Secretary Vedu Abamina Tarporonya International Chess Festival 2025 Hokpana Oka Post Me Gamsin Mu Latarji Bolo Aldo Post Me Adu Musin Goal at international level Chess Lokpana Ekaja Oka Munga Aludo Sarno Kaju Lepela Dulajuka Kongono Gahilog Sports Game Locker Jipen Nango Kayom Nunam Nengono Alorone Munga Galo Banka Balo Kala Lapla Yiboga Alena Lagaba Munu Hadum Dola Amendinan Jin Lagabas in Kajalekengo Tatuba Hip Hop Go Hijibaka Dr. Nyater Ado, Baba Nigyor, Emun Mahigi, Dr. Nyaso Gadir, son of Srimati Senbi Gadir, and Banya Gadir, Munu Masi, Gad Masitoka. He has been conferred PhD in Political Science, RGU 2025. Kokuba, Dr. Nyater Ado, Nosin Hogo Alatoka. Me Gad Masitok West Siang District. Dr. Baba Nigur Nosin Lam Toka, Dr. Tori Basar Nosin Lam Toka, Dr. Linu Ronya Nosin Lam Toka. Kaju Dr. Nyater Ado, daughter of Srimati Kenbi Ado and Sri Duggam Ado of Kombo Jirdin village, West Siang district has been conferred PhD in Botany, RGU 2025. Dr. Baba Nigyo, son of Srimati Gumoti Nigyo and Sri Nito Nigyo of New Mengmang village, Lower Siang district, conferred PhD Law from BBAU 2025. Dr. Tori Basar, son of Dr. Pagi Kamki and E.R. Moto Basar, ESS sector, Papampare district, conferred Doctor of PhD IIT Guwahati 2025. Dr. Linu Ronya, daughter of Srimati Dodik Yomcha Ronya and Sri Bali Ronya of Doku Potu village, West Siang district, has been conferred PhD in Hindi from RGU 2025. year riba, Dr. 2 year riba, no sinlam toka. Okokilo Dr. Mopa potom. Dr. 2 year riba, daughter of Srimati Rikar Yomgam Riba and Sri Katu Riba of Nari village, Lower Siang district has been conferred PhD in Psychology RGU 2025. Dr. Mopa Potom. Daughter of Sri Mati Yajum Potom and Sri Pokma Potom of Sala Potom village, West Siang district has been confirmed Doctor of PhD in History from RGU 2025. Dr. Mobom Nyorak. Mobom Nyorak Kokolo Miga Kambu. Dr. Miga Kambu. Mige Kambu, son of Srimati Moken Kambu and Sri Tami Kambu of Talam village, Nari, Lower Siang district, conferred BSc in Political Science, RGU 2025. Hokokilo, Nyagakai, daughter of Srimati Ajumkai and Sri Tangakai of Nyame village, Lower Siang district has been conferred PhD in Hindi from the Sardar Patel University, Gujarat. Gold medalist Singun Gaigi Kadunakar, Miss Mongam Basar, daughter of Nyatar Basar and Let Pangmo Basar, Piri village, La Parada district, has been conferred University Gold from Himalayan University. Dr. Topi Nyodu, Hokokova, Nyair Lendo, Rekadu. Dr. Topi Nyodu, daughter of Srimati Dangam Loya Nyodu and Dr. Nyato Nyodu of Nyabom village, La Parada, has been conferred University Gold Medal in MDS from West Bengal 2025. Miss Nyair Lendo, daughter of Srimati BP Tali Lendo and Sri Maka Kanya Lendo, Papunala Nahalagan has been conferred Gold Medal in MA Psychology from RGU in 2025. Rei Kadu, daughter of Srimati Pagrik Karlo Kadu and Sri Jumre Kadu of Saku Kadu village, Lower Siang district has been conferred Gold Medal in History from RGU 2025. Oka J Men's Advanced NEET NIT NEE Akak sin Kadu Agadam sin Gunu Lekengo Bahigi Jiduna Kajungunu Lekengo Tatom Laju Hengo Riba Kokilo Tobin Koyu Kokilo Gato Ori Hengo Riba, son of Srimati Tonya Riba and Sri Marsen Riba of Nyobom village, La Parada district, qualified JEE Advanced 2025, secure admission to IIT Mumbai. Tobin Koyu, daughter of Srimati Kargen Basar and Sri Raja Koyu of Datak village, East Siang district, qualified JEE Men's 2025 and secured admission to NIT Silchar, Assam. Sri Gato Ori, son of Srimati Gumi Lolen Asi and Sri Koge Asi of Paya Village, West Siang District, qualified NEET UG 2025 secure, admission to MBBS at Dreams Naharlagan. Sri Chiba Koyu Ama Mu, son of Srimati Hempu Kamchi Koyu and Sri Bichi Koyu of Adi Tako Village, Nari, Lower Siang, qualified NEET and secure admission to the MBBS Dream Naharlagan. Tanu Gomgo, Tunu Gomgo, Okokilo Lebom Doe, Tunu Gongo, daughter of Srimati Yapa Gomgo and Sri Tatu Gongo of Likabali, qualified NEET, secure admission to MBBS at Dreams Naharlagan. Lebom Doe, Lebom Doe, Ama Bolosin Anigonun me Pajipkai, Emun me Karsen Tato, daughter of Srimati Lee Tato and Sri Sokpe Tato, Keag Village, West Siang District, qualified NEET and secure to the MD Radio Diagnosis and A6 Medical College, Faridabad. Last to Kajigo, Lidug Yomgam, Bapu Pale, Lidug Yomgam, son of Srimati Yajum Gamlin, Yomgam and Sri Soko Yomgam of Sakada Yomcha, PC, PA Yomcha, West Siang District has qualified NEEI, secure admission to PCM Science at Nerist. Bapu Pale, daughter of Srimati Ibi Gamlin Pale and Sri Karva Pale of S. Abe Village, West Siang District, is qualified NEET and secure admission of MBBS at Maharaja Jitendra Narendra Medical College, West Bengal. Ekaja sar no anigo lepetoka, okangoja anigo jipusago kado ajigo ngunu tomduna ngunga. Yego bota doyum taipadia sarnosen anigo adlangunuga aya amnum ne jipka chief engineer power department omega the class 12 amne majaba alba panak itu Mimbi Gamlin Liir Karbak Tongam ata non hogo ala katka Humanity ground law, humanity class 12 lokpana hok molin to के इसमें डिटेल्स हम होग लाने तो के
ये मेंस को कोई
humanity ओले
यही
तोरे अनी को Lee Karbak, daughter of Srimati Amai Marmo Karbak and Sri Gumle Karbak of Karbak village, secure 93.6 mark in AISSIC JNB Combo Toka. Miss Tongam Atha, daughter of Srimati Koken Koyu Atha and Sri Minto Atha of Gunban village, 93.2 marks in AISSC from Delhi Public School Itanagar, third positions under the non-government school category. Bada Yomgam, daughter of Srimati Bajum Yomgam and Sri Yom Bayomgam of Akhi Yomgam village, West Siang district, secure 84.5 mark in AISSC 2025 government higher secondary school Yomcha, 10 pass positions under the government school category. Jumi Ado Kokuba, Jumpu Gadu. Mama. Jumi Ado, daughter of Srimati Kenbu Ado and Sri Mimar Ado of Kombo, Jirdin village of West Siang district. She secured 83.4 mark in AISSCI 2025 government higher secondary school Ahlo. She stands second position under government school category. Jumpu Ado. Jumpu Gadu, Memurtoba, Higi Kamurka Ketom Gomi, Anyam Gomolan Mangoi, making Memindanga, Anigomini Ruyoka. Jumpu Gadu, Higi Abo Adu, daughter of Srimati Begadi, Sri Tadin Gadi of the Takom Gadi village. Secured 79% mark in AISSC 2025 government higher secondary school Yomcha. O Kokuba Kudanguno science streams lo Kala Juka. Miss Nyabiriba, daughter of Srimati Amoriba and Sri Marnya Riva of Tojo New Seren village, secure 91.4 mark in AISSCE from PM Sri School JNB rowing and sustained for first positions under the non-government school category. Okokuba, Mega Chimen ga Kokuba, Penny Likar no Sinogo Atka, Mega Chimen, daughter of Srimati Yasariba and Sri Memariba of the Abo Adu, 89.8% go Patu JNB Migdon Upper Sivansiri districts stand for second position. Kaju taking of the Penny Liquor, daughter of Srimati Bomri Liquor and Sri Karpa Liquor of CC Liquor. 89.8 marks Gombe Patu, second positions lo adu. Kendra Videle Alotoka, Oka Miss Henrik Kargo, daughter of Srimati Kamgam at N Karga and Sri Gasen Karga of Karga village, West Siang district, 87.2% secure in AICC SSIC 2025 JNB Combo West Siang district, stand for third positions under non-government category. Okay, class 10 local, Miss Dakmik Bam Galaga Yeveaduko, daughter of Srimati Omang Moyong Bam and Dr. Jumtak Bam of Old Village, La Parada district, Arunachal Pradesh. She secured 97.2 marks in AISSC 2025 from BKV Nirjuli, Arunachal Pradesh, stand for first positions under non-government category. Maaji Goknaka ija Tumken Talu, son of Srimati Pangam Naso Talu and Sri Betam Talu on the Shiru Abo Adu, Shiru Talu Toka, secured to 94.4 marks in AISSC 2025. Scenic School East Siang district sustained second positions under non-government category. And Ijangonga Jitir Baku Miss Nyasa Bagra, daughter of Sri Ropi Kena Bagra and Kanya Bagra of Lepu Bagra village, Arunachal Pradesh, secured 91.6 marks in AISSC positions and the non-government category. Naru Alekengoda Atibra hip hop jibka. I mean, higi paper born you borongo bagna mani kakinta mintoba, munioka, aja dosar, no lepelage dakwani nuk dukalo duchkuka.